How we going, guys? So, welcome back, and today we're going to, rather than working in the car, we're going to see what runs it. Yes, check out what came in the post today. It's a post box. Nah, it's alright. So, inside here is the MOVE's brand new standalone ECU, which will be running all the engine, flex fuel, whatever you want. I'll go through that, but let's get to unwrapping. Okay, so brand is called, sorry about the lighting, MAXXECU, and comes in a nice cardboard box. Pretty big box, really, like for a standalone. The standalone's probably only the size of my hand, but there's a few other goodies in here which we'll find out, which are taking up that other area. So we'll open this up and have a look. Okay, so that's enough of the slow-mo footage. I was just getting carried away. Anyway, so this is what we've got. Okay, so thought instead of me rattling off what I think I could remember, here's a quick book going into rough details of their what they have. So they've got the Mini, Street, Sport, Race, and Pro. I've got the Street, and it's quite similar to the Mini in most applications. Except, I don't know if you guys can quite see, sorry, but the main difference between the Mini and the Street is the number of outputs. So, I don't know if you guys can quite see, it's not really focusing, but I'll read them out to you anyway. So the difference, so it can run 6 cylinders sequentially rather than 4. A big difference is the built-in wideband, which, as I said, as we got up there, you can see the fact that it can support a wideband control and the Mini can't. And yeah, that's pretty much it, except for a few more inputs and outputs here and there. It's pretty much the same, but it's a pretty good value for money. So I think total, depending on where you order it from, it's about, including shipping, $13.50, which is quite good. Like, it's not top of the range, but it's good enough for a little project Daihatsu. And yeah, it comes with pretty good. So you get in the box, you get this little MAXXECU, like a starter guide. Oh yeah, quick start guide. There you go. You get this little wiring diagram, which shows you how to pin everything, which is quite nice. You get some stickers, which is, can never complain with some stickers. MAXXECU engine management, that'll be going on the car. Get your lambda sensor, which is good value for money. They're not cheap. And you get your engine loom here, which is, it's very good quality. As I said, everything's labeled, which helps heaps. Then you've got some vacuum hose or pressure hose just for your boost control. You get your lead to plug into your ECU, and then some extra little fittings for your boost control and just other little accessories. Your 2 plugs with some extra pins and everything in there, and that's the other plug with some pins, and then of course the ECU. So that's it. This is the MAXXECU Street, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time when we start pulling the car apart. So see ya.